Hi, thanks for checking out my video. I just got my oil changed on my 2016 Honda CR-V, and I'll show you how to reset the oil life indicator here. Okay, what you're going to need to do is you're going to use this the trip button right here. Just go through until you find oil life. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the car. The car is running right now. I'm going to turn the car off. And I'm going to turn the key forward, but I'm not going to start it. When I do that, I'm going to want to hold down this stick at the same time. So I'm going to turn it forward, hold it down. Now what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the oil life to blink. Okay, once it blinks, I can let go. Then I'm going to push and hold it down again. This is for about another 5 seconds. And that's it. It's pretty simple to reset the oil life. And if this information was useful, do me a favor and leave a comment or hit that thumbs up button for me. Thank you very much.